The best way to make money online in 2025, 3 proven business ideas for beginners. It's 2025, and the online business world is evolving at lightning speed. What worked a few years ago might not work today, and the key to success lies in adapting to these changes. If you're just starting out, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through 3 of the best online business ideas that are not only beginner-friendly, but also designed to thrive in today's digital economy. The best part, these businesses don't require a huge upfront investment, advanced technical skills, or years of experience. All you need is determination, a willingness to learn, and the right strategies. Let's dive in. 1. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you promote. Affiliate marketing remains one of the easiest and most effective ways to make money online. Here's how it works. You promote products or services through a unique affiliate link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Why is affiliate marketing a great choice in 2025? Companies are investing more in their affiliate programs because it's a win-win. They gain more customers, and you earn a slice of the profit. The rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram has made it easier than ever to reach a large audience. How to get started? Choose a niche you're passionate about, such as fitness, tech, or personal finance. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSale. Create engaging content blogs, videos, or social media posts that showcases the value of the products. Drive traffic to your links using SEO or social media strategies. 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Sell without inventory. The e-commerce boom isn't slowing down, and 2025 is an excellent year to start your own online store. Dropshipping, in particular, has become a favorite among beginners because it allows you to sell products without worrying about inventory, storage, or shipping logistics. With dropshipping, you act as a middleman between suppliers and customers. When someone orders a product from your store, the supplier ships it directly to them. This means you can focus entirely on marketing and growing your business. Why dropshipping works in 2025? Easy to set up with platforms like Shopify and Oberlo. You can experiment with trending products without committing to bulk purchases. Social media ads, particularly on TikTok and Instagram, make it simple to reach potential buyers. Pro tip: focus on a niche market. For example, instead of selling general fitness gear, specialize in eco-friendly workout accessories. This helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. 3. Digital products and online courses. Passive income goldmine. The digital product market is exploding. From books and templates to online courses, people are willing to pay for knowledge and tools that make their lives easier. The beauty of digital products is their scalability. You create them once and sell them indefinitely. In 2025, demand for online learning is higher than ever. Whether you're skilled in graphic design, cooking, or personal finance, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it simple to package and sell your expertise. Examples of digital products: ebooks. Write a guide on something you're passionate about, such as budgeting, fitness, or photography. Templates. Create customizable designs for resumes, business plans, or social media graphics. Online courses. Teach a skill like mastering Excel, baking sourdough bread, or starting a YouTube channel. Why these models work in 2025? The online landscape has shifted, and not every business model is as effective as it used to be. Dropshipping requires strategic marketing to stay competitive. Affiliate marketing benefits from the growing reliance on social proof through influencers and content creators. Meanwhile, the demand for self-education and digital convenience has made digital products a cornerstone of passive income. Starting an online business in 2025 is all about aligning with current trends and choosing a model that suits your strengths. The good news: you don't need to master everything at once. Pick one idea, commit to learning and experimenting, and grow from there. Your next step, now that you've seen the best online business ideas for 2025, it's time to take action. The internet is brimming with opportunities, but success starts with a single step. Whether you dive into affiliate marketing, launch an e-commerce store, or create a digital product, the key is to start. So, which of these ideas excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's make 2025 the year you achieve financial freedom.